Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy blog. My name is Ray, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the De'Longhi La Specialista Opera. There's nothing like having a coffee shop in your own home, or having a coffee machine that makes you feel like you have a whole cafe right in the kitchen. The De'Longhi La Specialista Opera espresso machine with cold brew is designed with a water tank in the back, a bean hopper with 15 grind settings, a built-in steaming wand with excellent flexion, a stainless steel milk jug, a hot water spout, and a flip-up, flip-down espresso cup riser. It also comes with a portafilter, a built-in smart tamping wand, and 4 filters for hot and cold espresso in single or double shots. I really like the multi-shelf design of this espresso machine. Everything fits in really snugly and feels great when you use it, from the portafilter to the tamping wand. But that little shelf means that you can easily fit in a tiny espresso glass just as well as you would fit in a taller hot glass or a taller iced glass. The Opera comes with a few cleaning tools and a water hardness test strip, and it has a drip tray with a very sleek metal grate over top. Also included with this espresso machine is De'Longhi's Quick Start Guide, which, I'm a nerd for a Quick Start Guide. I think that a well-made Quick Start Guide just sort of gets your coffee experience started on the right foot, and it means that every single cup you're going to make, from the very first one to the very last one, will just be a super smooth experience. This is a great Quick Start Guide, and it clearly lays out all of the steps you'll need to follow to make your first coffee in just a couple of minutes. Beyond just pulling plain espresso, this is a premium machine that helps you make 5 different coffee beverages, and then customize from there. It does coffee, Americanos, espresso, cold brew, and cold espresso. I'll start making one of these 5 drinks while we talk about what the rest of these buttons do. For instance, this second button right here does hot water to help you pre-warm your glass or make a nice little cup of tea. Next, you've got your temperature controls, as well as your dose size and shot size. What I love about De'Longhi's La Specialista Opera is that it's a blended machine. You get all of the benefits of those preset functions, but at its heart, it's a manual experience. You're involved. If you're watching right now, you can tell that the pressure is way too far to the right. This is overpressurized, and the coffee that's coming out is a very, very sluggish espresso shot. I actually overfilled my dose on this one just to see how the machine would respond, and I'm happy to report that it makes it very, very clear where the issues are and how to fix them. I could see within seconds that I was over-extracting for that shot and immediately correct my mistake, or in this case, my intentional error, for the next shot. When you can see the issues so clearly, it becomes easy to correct them and start pulling a fantastic shot of espresso every time. I really like this machine's smart tamping arm, but the feature that really sets it apart is its temperature functions. This espresso machine is amazing at making cold coffees, from cold brew to cold espresso. It can make cold brew in under 5 minutes with the brand's cold extraction technology, which uses precise pressure and water flow to create a smooth, cold cup of coffee. Given that cold brew usually takes all night to make in the fridge, 5 minutes is pretty impressive. Similarly, I think that the machine does a fantastic job of making cool espresso with its espresso cool setting. It's designed to deliver a velvety, rich, cool shot of espresso that tastes lighter and with less bitterness. During extraction, the La Specialista Opera uses one of 3 extraction temperature settings to achieve the perfect cup of coffee every time. This is, in my opinion, the defining trait of De'Longhi's La Specialista Opera. It's an espresso machine with an ability to extract at different temperatures, and that really sets it apart from the crowd. The 3 temperature settings have different uses for different drinks, and I kind of see them as the base layer for your coffee drink. So the base of any coffee drink is the coffee, the cold brew, or the espresso, and then sort of the accoutrements are like your milk and your water and your ice. You can create a tasty drink if you have like a really nice microfoam in your steamed milk, or just the perfect temperature of water and ice, but what makes a good drink great is starting with that really good base, and the base is the espresso, or the cold brew, or the coffee. On top of a dreamy base, this machine does create very lovely accoutrements, including that wonderful steam wand. It's super powerful, and it makes a gorgeous, dense microfoam that's perfect for finishing your hot lattes. With a precise burr grinder, a smart tapping arm, and active temperature control, the De'Longhi La Specialista Opera, available at Best Buy, is an excellent way to make an authentic barista-quality coffee at home. From piping hot lattes to smooth, creamy, iced Americanos that don't taste watered down, it's a compact, beautiful machine that's easy to use and clean up. For more on this product, make sure to check out my full review at the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.